My beautiful wildflowers, it's me, Alexis, and today I'm going to do something a little different because I am actually under the weather and not feeling really well, and that's why I haven't really put up an additional video this week. And so, but I did want to go ahead and get this Mass Monday giveaway done and start another one, and also kick off the 1000 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway. And today will be the kickoff video, and I want to do that because I said I would do it no later than this weekend, and of course I wasn't feeling very well. And today actually is Sunday. I'm recording this, and it's the last day that we had to fast. And usually I take the last 10 days off of Ramadan because by then I'm exhausted and I'm tired. And so, yeah, I usually do. But as you guys know, I started a new job. And so I really didn't have the time off that I needed to take those days off. So I think I let myself get a little bit weary and a little bit tired. And so I did get a little ill, and I'm not feeling 100%. So I decided, but I have to do this. So I'm going to do this for you in a different way. And I do have an affirmation for you. And I saw this card. Let's see if you can see it. And it says, people will always discount you and you'll always get rejected. But set your sights high, be boldly ambitious, be relentless, and never give up. And that is just so important, you guys. And this week really made me feel like, oh my God, I just want to give up. I just want to sleep, and let me sleep for like a week. And I just felt so tired and worn out. But and I've had a pretty rough week because I'm having issues with one staff person that I'm having to deal with, and I'm trying to be fair about everything. And it's just, it's been an exhausting week. It's been an exhausting month, but it's really important that I keep my spirits up, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And I could have just said, you know what, I'll do 2 giveaways next week, and believe me, that thought came through. But I just want to make sure, I'm not going to give up, guys. I know you guys won't give up on me, so I'm not going to give up on you. And I do apologize for it, but I'm not going to give up. And this is a very good card that I found when I needed it the most. And people will always discount you guys, but it's okay. Because there's, there are people who will really believe in you and believe in what you're doing. So really focus on those people, and don't waste your energy on those people who are rejecting you and who are not being nice to you, or who is not doing what they're supposed to be doing. So don't spend a morsel of your moments, and don't waste your time. Don't waste any part of your life, and really focus on those who support you and who think you're the best, and who thinks maybe not you're the best, but you're trying your best, right? And so this was a great card, and I wanted to give you that. But okay, that is that. And sorry about that. I do want to get this giveaway going, though. This is the Mass Monday giveaway from last week, and I did go ahead. As you can see, I did already paste the video URL right here, and then I did filter for duplicate users, so everybody has one try. And I did filter comments based on a specific text, and that was Ahava, and it's Ahava. Let me make sure I spelled that right. All right, I did. And so we're gonna go ahead and select the winner. And before we do that, like I said, as of this video, we are going to kick off the 1000 Beautiful Wildflower giveaway. And one of my videos did have a sneak peek of what was going to be in a box. And as I make more videos, I will go ahead and start showing some more things, okay, as I get going, because I have to reach at least 1,010 in order for me to pick the winner. And right now I was sitting at 974 the last time I looked, and I'm hoping I'm still sitting there. And I was going to wait till 975, but I said, you know what, close enough, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. And the word is going to be, let's see, what should we make our 1000 Beautiful Wildflower Milestone giveaway to be? So let's use the word beautiful. 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 And if you would just put that into the comments that you leave, don't say that, you know, I'm entering and the word is beautiful. Don't do that, but add it as part of your comment as usual. And it is open to international people, but if an international person wins, it will be a gift card, because that's the only way I can get you guys something. And I was racking my brains to think, you know, how can I give them something and not exclude them in totality, and yet I make sure that whatever it is that I'm getting for them gets to them and that it's affordable. And so if you are international, do enter. You must be 18 or older, and you must have a email account, because it will be an e-gift card, okay? And also for the US side, go ahead and it'll be just what you're seeing, and I will have 2 winners, okay? It'll be total of 2 winners, and it will be 2 different boxes, and I will give you the option when you win, if you want a little more skincare, because I know there's people out there that don't do makeup but love skincare, and I have great skincare to give away, and I mean really nice ones. So let me know when you win. I will ask you, okay? And like I said, I will choose the winner when I hit about 1,010. And so let's get this one started though. Okay, let's go. Start. What happened here? Did I wait too long? I think I did. Okay, let's see. Oh no, I have to get how many comments. Please enter the Okay, here we go. Let's see how many people. I skipped a step, didn't I? So see, I am not feeling well, guys. Okay, there were 28 people who actually entered this Mass Monday giveaway, and now I can go over here and pick the winner. So let's go. And the winner is Vonda Dover, 1978. Vonda Dover. And she said, awesome sneak peeks. I love Ahava products. They are so nice. And she's talking about the sneak peek for the 1000 Beautiful giveaway. Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway. But next, okay, Vonda Dover, let me see if you are subscribed to me publicly. And you guys, this is the same rules that I will have for all of my giveaways. You have to be subscribed to me, okay, publicly, and I have to be able to see that you are in order to win. So let's go ahead to the bottom, and I'm still doing the shortcut. Okay, let me not hit the computer. Okay, I think that's it. So we're gonna say Command F, and we're gonna say Haute, Modesty. Enter. Okay, I am not coming up on her channel, but as you guys know, I sometimes have to go back and look. So it was this one here. Let's look for the comments, and I have to release all of my comments. And let's see, Vonda. Okay. I think my eyesight's getting bad today too. I don't know what is going on with me here. I just think my whole body is just like so exhausted, because I'm a big water drinker, and you guys know I'm fasting, no water, nothing, for the whole month of Ramadan during the daytime hours when it's the hottest. So yeah, and it just wore me out. Okay, here we go. Vonda Dover, 1978, and it does say that she has been publicly subscribed to me for 1 month. So guess what? She qualifies. Congratulations, Vonda. And what you need to do for me now is within 48 hours, you need to go to the bottom of any of my videos, go all the way down to the bottom of the details tab, and my email address is there. You can use that and email me your full name and your mailing address, or you can go to Instagram and look for Haute Modesty, Haute, Modesty, Modesty. Okay, and then you could just DM me there. And so yeah, let's see. Let's go back to the channel content real quick. And let me see how many. I do have 974. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and release the giveaway, and the word is beautiful again. So alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I'm hoping this video is not full of train sounds and everything else that's going by, because it was kind of quiet until now that I decided to sit down to do this, of course. But yeah, And for next week's Mask Monday giveaway, let's think of a word. Let's see. What would be a good one since I didn't do a mask for you? But you know what? I have the masks here in front of me, part of them. Nope, I do have all of them that I will be giving away. And here they are. And so there's a whole week's worth of masks. So let's use the word honey. I like that, honey. Like the word right here, honey. That will be the word for the Mask Monday giveaway, okay? And so I know this was a crazy video, guys, and I do apologize, but I am not looking great right now. I am not feeling that great, but thank you guys so much. I feel so much better that I've been able to talk to you, and I want you to have a good day, a good week, a good weekend, or good night whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. Why? Because in a field of roses, you have to be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.